and welcome back to FSM Super Sundays. My name is Troy and I hope you had a wonderful Christmas and New Year's despite all the global pandemic. I hope you were able to be in the festive spirit and enjoy your time with your family and all that. So back to the chart. It's been a couple of weeks since we dropped a video for Super Sundays, but we're back now, starting with looking at dollar pairs for now. We have euro dollar first of all on a weekly time frame. What you can see is it's been on a nice bullish run, and it's made its new higher high here. It's been capped at the 27.2 extension level. Is now sort of reached the point of exhaustion. As you can see, 2 long wicks for the previous 2 weeks, and what we're looking for now is maybe a pullback into the 120 level. That will be the next area of interest. Other than that, back all the way down to 116. So, but this is a strong level here. As you can see, we have a nice in and around this level here, as well as here. This would be a nice area to get back in. So I will show you what I am looking at. I put Fibonacci on this and see what we can find on the weekly time frame. So from down there up to there. So in between the 38.2 and the 50 will be a nice area. I'll just mark it on for us so we can see it a bit clearer. So just in this region here. Some of you may put it on a different low for the Fibonacci. Maybe we can go to a daily time frame and put it from that point there. Let me do that again. So from there would be the 61.8 we're looking at. So going back to the weekly, as you see here, yeah, this would be the low here, as this is another mini swing low. So we're looking to come back to the 61.8, which is pretty much perfectly confident with the level that I've marked out. Coincidentally, charts don't lie, history always repeats itself. So yeah, that's what we're looking to take longs from. Targets do actually align with what we had before, so this area here, and then beyond that we can look at levels once it does get up and above 125. For the daily time frame, what we can see is that short term we're looking at prices coming down into this level here, so we can maybe take some shorts if you're not really on board. I know some people did take shorts from up in the day before, so Thursday of last week. If you want to put a little bit of a trend line here, we can see price broker trend line. Maybe you can get a pullback in the early parts of this week and then take shorts down to 120, as I mentioned before. And then we look at the 4 hour. So yeah, so as you see, this trend line here is quite strong. It's really had a retest on the 4 hour, but not quite yet on the daily. So that's what you can look to get on board with the shorts. Before then, when it comes down to 120, look to take your longs. If you go to 1 hour, you can see why people did take shorts coming into the here. Once you have a big run down here, if you were able to take a short from anyone around here, then that would be nice. But the time of day, you probably would have been asleep if you're especially UK based. Maybe you could have got on board after this candle here. Stop loss wouldn't have been too huge, so 50 pips would have been safe. And then of course you can look to we're selling it down all the way to the this level here, and you have bits on the way to sort of look for in terms of support. Right now you'd be roughly in just under 2 to 1 risk reward. Yeah, so it's looking quite nice for you with dollar. Next, moving on to cable on the weekly time frame once again. Yeah, so weekly time frame, you can see cables, it's not doing too much. You can see it is bearish, but price has definitely slowed down from the bullish run it was on, and it's coming to an area of interest. So yeah, it didn't quite reach the 27.2 extension, but it has come up into this area of interest that was marked out a while ago for us. I'll just move some bits on the chart to make it a bit clearer. Yeah, so third touch of the trend line would be maybe in play, or it will be a 5th or 4th touch. Would be key for us to know if it breaks. Nice, take some nice shorts. If it does sort of hold, I would wait. Maybe if you sort of trade day trade, then you can maybe buy it. But I would personally, if you want to swing trade, wait for it to break, pull back, and then take some shorts. Looking at the daily time frame, yeah, it didn't quite reach the level what we were looking for. but as always, you have to be vigilant and look for this area here. I would have said, you know, have your eyes on it to see if you do get like this, especially this bearish engulfing here, you can look to take some money off or close the whole trade depending on your risk appetite. But yeah, because you see that price is just slowing down here. It's quite choppy right now. You know, just wait to get, I personally wait until you get a nice bearish candle like this one here. Once you get pulled back, that would be a nice place to sell. Similarly, again, wait for it to maybe dip down, push back up, and then look for sells. It's a bit difficult because although we're seeing a bit of strength in the dollar, we're also seeing minor strength in cable. So yeah, there's not much else to look at apart from, as you always know how we do trade, simple trades. You know, look for trend lines, see does it, when it breaks, can you get a pullback? If it's not, don't force it, but when you do get a pullback, yeah, take the shorts. So, and also you can see on the 4 hour, this is, as I said before, slowing down, it's consolidating in this area around here. Yeah, so if you want to be a bit more aggressive, you can take shorts from this breakout of this area, this ranging area here, down to levels, especially first of all down to 134. But then if you go to daily, we have, yeah, once we get down to 134, there's not much in the way down until yeah, the 127.50 is the next major level anyway. You've got something in around here at 131.20, 131.30, but that's not a major level. So the next major level will be down at 127.50. Finally, we're going to look at gold, weekly time frame for gold. I haven't got my levels marked on this chart here. Right, so yeah, weekly time frame, huge bearish candle. So depending on your broker, I don't know how it may look on your broker, but yeah, this is still a bearish candle. Either way, it will still look very bearish, even if you look at a different broker. So let me go to let's go for Awanda. Yeah, same on Awanda. I think it's slightly different on, is it IDC? No, so it all looks the same. I don't know why I was thinking that it looked different on a different broker. Yeah, so it looks the same. So what we're looking for now is we've seen that it was in a very bearish, also a bullish mode. As you can see, like here, all the way up, we've seen a big move up, small swing down, big move up, small swing down, big move up, bigger swing down, but it was a fast move down, and then after that followed a fast move up. So that was just, you know, manipulation or maybe news, or, you know, it looks like March, so, you know, around the times of lockdown around the world. Fast move up, small swing down, fast move up. But now, after the last fast move up, we're having a little choppy price action, and then now a bit of a fast move down, move up, and this may be the start of another fast move down. If we do break these lows, that will confirm the, you know, medium term short bias for gold. So yeah, there's a lot of selling pressure in gold anyway. As I said before, we're seeing a bit of pullback or strengthening of dollar, so that was why, you know, you can see gold moving lower. But yeah, as you can see, once again, mark trend lines. Trend lines are always a good way to go. Break, if we get a pullback, take shorts from there. That's quite self-explanatory. So yeah, short term, we're looking for shorts. Short and medium term, shorts in gold. So the next key level will be 1793, and then obviously 1748. But yeah, so these levels here are quite key. I'm looking to get on board from pullbacks on this. Gold is quite a sharp mover, so it's not, I wouldn't recommend trading breakouts because it can just whip you back. You know, so yeah, you want to sort of wait for it to show its hand and then pull back before you, for example here, you might have seen it broke a trend line here. Just this candle here, you might have taken a short here, stop loss just above here, whip straight back up, you know, the next few sort of days, and then fast move down and continue down. So yeah, always wait